Have you become wary of looking for internet businesses that demand a startup cost? You're in luck then. I will demonstrate a few honest methods for making money online in this video that doesn't require any money at all. Get ready to learn some doable ways to earn money online from the convenience of your home, whether you are a parent staying at home or a college student. Let's start now. Due to the fact that so many people are now confined to their homes, many are searching for non-investment-based home businesses. This include college students, spouses who stay at home, domestic workers, retirees, and even entrepreneurs who want to do additional side work. You may actually make money online in a broad range of ways without spending a single penny. By doing it this way, you can risk your money without fear of any negative financial effects. 3. Through freelancing. One of the most widely used methods of making money online is by working as a freelancer, which requires no upfront financial commitment. All you need to do is create a freelance account on a few major websites. The next step is to showcase your abilities to prospective clients by providing examples of your work. You can earn money online as a freelancer if you are skilled at writing, programming, editing, designing, or a variety of other tasks. Many businesses are now gradually providing freelancers with fever jobs. Some of the best freelance websites that provide reliable work include Freelance India, 99 Designs, Upwork, Truelancer, Fiverr, etc. 2. Join an affiliate program. Become an affiliate and promote goods, services, or brands on many platforms to earn commissions. You will be given an affiliate link to connect with others once you have been registered. You will get paid a commission and given credit for the recommendation when someone purchases the good or services after clicking your link. The commission payment is determined by the affiliate program and the product being advertised. Marketing digital services like web hosting might bring in hundreds or even thousands of dollars, while basic things on the Amazon marketplace won't pay out much. Contrary to what many people think, affiliate marketing doesn't depend on blog promotions to bring in money for a marketer. 1. Offer social media consultancy. Know how to increase your Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram followings. To advertise your skills, position yourself as a social media strategist. You will get calls from brands asking you to develop films, brainstorm creative concepts, and other things. Due to the fact that you can utilize your current profile as your portfolio, it's a fantastic way for anyone with the social media abilities to make money. Advertise your portfolio on websites and groups devoted to online advertising. The promotional emails you send to agencies should also contain a link. Want some motivation? Read The Narrative by Lucas O'Keefe. His career began with a popular TikTok video, which grew into a full-fledged consulting business, aiding brands in growing their social media following. Finally, although it may seem a difficult undertaking, earning money online without investing can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience if you approach it with an appropriate perspective. Don't be hesitant to test out various strategies to find which one suits you the best. You may make use of your downtime as a steady source of revenue with a little hard work and determination. I appreciate your time and interest and hope you found my suggestions useful. Wishing you success as you pursue internet income.